नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू चिल्ड्रन? आई होप you all are fine and safe in your house. Okay, last two classes what I taught you? I told before starting our classes we will learn one line Hindi speaking. So first I taught you how are you? आप कैसे हो? Second I taught you I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. Today we will learn third sentence. Okay? If someone is coming in your house, what you will say? Please come in or please come inside. In Hindi we will say अंदर आइए. Please come in. In Hindi we will say अंदर आइए. After that what you will say? Please take your seat or please have a seat. In Hindi we will say बैठिए. What we will say? बैठिए. So अंदर आइए, बैठिए. Please come in, have a seat. Okay? So this is our talking Hindi. Okay children, do practice speaking Hindi. Today we will start our new lesson. Okay? We'll start our new lesson. Our lesson name is, this is a very good story. I'll read for you and I will translate in English also. Your lesson name is राख की रस्सी. What is the lesson name? राख की रस्सी. Rakh means ashes. Ashes, you know what is that? If you burn something, that black color something powder will come. That is called ashes. So राख की रस्सी. रस्सी means rope. R-O-P-E, rope. राख की रस्सी. So ashes of rope. So children, we will start our lesson today. राख की रस्सी. I'll read a story for you and tell you. Okay? राख की रस्सी. राख की रस्सी. राख means ashes. रस्सी means rope. Rope of ashes. लोनपो गार तिब्बत के 32वें राजा सौन गौसेन गाम्पो के मंत्री थे. लोनपो गार, there is a person in Tibet. 32वें 32 32वें means 32 नंबर. राजा सौन गौसेन गाम्पो के मंत्री थे. मीन्स लोनपो was the मंत्री of 32 किंग सौन गौसेन. वे अपनी चालाकी और हाजिर जवाबी के लिए दूर दूर तक मशहूर थे. He was famous for his cleverness. He was very clever, so he was famous, and quick reply he will give. So he was very famous. कोई उनके सामने टिकता न था. Nobody was there in front of him to compete him. चैन से जिंदगी चल रही थी. His life was going very easily, peacefully. मगर जब से उनका बेटा बड़ा हुआ था, but till his son is getting young, उनके लिए चिंता का विषय बना हुआ था. He was very much worried about his son. कारण यह था कि what was the reason? वह बहुत भोला था. That his son was very much innocent. होशियारी उसे छू कर भी नहीं गई थी. He is not at all clever. He was not at all clever. He was very innocent boy. लोनपो गार ने सोचा. लोनपो, that son, what son he is having? His father. लोनपो गार, मेरा बेटा बहुत सीधा सादा है. My son is very simple and innocent. मेरे बाद इसका काम कैसे चलेगा? After me, how his life will go, because he is very simple person. एक दिन लोनपो गार ने, one day लोनपो ने अपने बेटे को 100 भेड़ें देते हुए कहा. He gave his son 100 sheep. Sheep you people know na, just like a goat sheep who give to woolen. He gave 100 sheep. तुम इन्हें लेकर शहर जाओ. Take that 100 sheep and go to city. मगर इन्हें मारना या बेचना नहीं है. डोंट किल देम और डोंट सेल देम, इन्हें वापस लाना, ब्रिंग इट बैक 100 जौ के बोरों के साथ, you come with 100 sack of oat. Oat, you know, oat is a seed just like a wheat. Okay, so बोरों के साथ you come back with 100 sack of oats, वरना अदरवाइज मैं तुम्हें घर में नहीं घुसने दूंगा, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू एंटर इन माई हाउस। इसके बाद उन्होंने बेटे को शहर की तरफ रवाना किया। आफ्टर दैट he has sent his child to the city. Okay children, so today we have read this lesson राख की रस्सी 2 paragraph. In next class we will read another paragraph and your assignment will be first paragraph. Okay, 2 paragraph we have read. First paragraph you have to write in your homework note as an assignment. Very good handwriting. Okay, so read and write neatly in a good handwriting first paragraph. Okay children, thank you.